Gears are everywhere, but not all of them are the same. Here are the 8 most iconic types of gears. Number 1. Spur gear. This is the simplest and most recognizable gear you'll ever see. Straight or involute teeth running parallel to the axis, 2 gears meshing side by side, transferring motion in opposite rotation directions. They're cheap to make, highly efficient, and incredibly reliable. The trade-off is noise. At high speeds, spur gears can get loud as teeth slam into contact abruptly. You'll find them inside clocks, washing machines, and almost every gearbox ever built. Number 2. Helical gear. Helical gears look like spur gears at first glance, but their teeth are cut at an angle. That angle means multiple teeth are always in contact at once, making the transfer of motion smoother and significantly quieter. The downside is that a sideways thrust force requires additional bearings to manage. That's why you'll find them in car transmissions, where noise and vibration need to be kept to a minimum. Number 3. Bevel gear. When you need to transfer motion between 2 shafts that meet at a 90-degree angle, bevel gears are the answer. Their teeth are cut as a conical surface, allowing the direction of rotation to change cleanly and efficiently. Straight-tooth bevel gears work well at low speeds, while spiral-tooth bevel gears handle higher loads more smoothly. The most familiar example is inside a car's differential, where engine power gets redirected to turn the wheels. Number 4. Worm gear. A worm gear pairs a screw-like shaft called the worm with a toothed wheel, which essentially is a gear whose distance between the teeth matches the pitch of the worm gear. Thus, each full rotation of the worm only advances the wheel by a single tooth, creating massive speed reduction and torque multiplication in a very compact space. Elevators and conveyor systems rely on worm gears heavily, and their natural self-locking ability means the load can't backdrive the system. Number 5. Rack and pinion. The rack and pinion converts rotational motion into linear motion. A spur gear, the pinion, meshes with a flat-toothed bar, the rack. Spin the pinion, and the rack moves in a straight line. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. Very few moving parts, very little that can go wrong. It's one of the most elegant mechanical solutions ever devised, and you experience it every time you turn a car's steering wheel. Number 6. Planetary gear. Planetary gears are one of the most visually striking mechanisms ever devised. A central sun gear is surrounded by multiple planet gears, all of which rotate inside a ring gear. Depending on which component you fix, which you drive, and which you use as output, you get completely different speed and torque ratios from the same set of gears. Because the load is distributed across multiple planet gears simultaneously, planetary systems also handle far more torque than a similarly sized conventional gear pair could. This versatility makes them the core of automatic transmissions and electric vehicle drivetrains. Number 7. Internal gear. Unlike every other gear type, the internal gear has its teeth pointing inward along the inside of a ring. A smaller gear meshes inside it, rotating in the same direction rather than opposite. This keeps the overall assembly extremely compact while still delivering significant gear reduction. The shared rotational direction also makes internal gears ideal when 2 parallel shafts need to spin the same way without adding an extra intermediate gear. Number 8. Hypoid gear. The hypoid gear looks similar to a bevel gear, but with one key difference. The axes of the 2 gears don't actually intersect. They're offset, which allows for smoother, stronger tooth contact and a lower drive shaft position. This offset also means more tooth surface area is engaged at any given moment, making hypoid gears quieter and more durable under heavy loads. That's exactly why most rear-wheel drive cars use them in their rear axle. Every machine you've ever used almost certainly contains at least one of these. Which one surprised you most? Let us know below. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple engineering breakdowns.